Hi, welcome to Hanwha Vision Europe Tech Tips. I'm Gordon, your trainer and guide at Hanwha Vision Europe, and today I will show you how to use DesignPro's recorder selection page to find the right recording solution for your project. DesignPro is accessible online at designpro.hanwhavision.cloud. On the recorders page, 3 types of recorders are listed at the top. Wave recorders are recording appliances running WiseNet Wave VMS. NVRs are standalone network video recorders for IP cameras, and DVRs are hybrid recorders for analog and network cameras. It is recommended to only use a single type of recorder for your project. To pick the best recorder, I will add recorders to the comparison by clicking on the scales. There is a maximum of 6 items that can be placed into the comparison. There are 6 recorders in the Wave appliance range, so I will compare them all. Click on the play button next to the comparison section. There are some features common to the recorders. We don't need to know about them, so I will click the Differences Only checkbox at the top right to filter the data to show only differences. When choosing a recorder, the most relevant specifications are the recording bandwidth and storage capacity. I have not chosen many cameras, but I have chosen high-resolution, high-frame-rate cameras, so I'll need a strong system to record them at these rates. Looking at the range, I will choose the WRN-2110 SB1-40TB with 250 megabits throughput and 40 terabytes of storage. You will see the settings page. Click OK to add it to the project. Click the X to close the comparison page. Back in the Recorders tab, we will see the project requirements are all green, but we can also see a surplus of bandwidth and storage, which means I'll be paying more than necessary for the project's recorder. Instead, I'll remove this and look at the NVRs. To remove the recorder, go to the Projects column, also called the cart. Click on the 3 dots next to the product and select Delete. A project currently has 4 cameras, so 4-channel recorders should be appropriate, but we will need to find one that supports the bitrate and storage for the high-resolution cameras. I will add the XRN426-1T SSD, XRN420S, and the QRN430S. The ARN recorder is very basic and is not appropriate for the big cameras in this project. I have some spare slots in the comparison, so I'll add the 8-channel recorder, the XRN815S. Before I go to the comparison, check the bandwidth requirements at the top, which here says about 25 megabits per second is required. Storage requirement is just under 9 terabytes. I'll click the comparison button, just as for the camera comparison. Click the Differences Only box. This will reduce the information I need to focus on. The most important feature is the bandwidth, so scroll down to the specification under Performance. Only 2 of the recorders support 45 megabits per second, so I'll remove the others. The 8-channel recorder will have enough storage, but not the 4-channel, so we'll add this to the project. In the Settings page, change the HDD to No HDD. Next, change the number of hard drives to 2, because we'll specify 10 terabyte drives in the HDD size specification to get the 20 terabytes we need. Click OK. In the Recorders tab, we have sufficient bandwidth, storage, and ports, with a little extra for overhead, but we are lacking in PoE power. We will add a PoE injector to the Additionals video to provide the extra power we need, or we can use the filter to find the recorder capable of supporting all of the cameras. Remove the chosen recorder. Then click on the plus next to the filter. One feature we will need is a built-in PoE. I will also select 3 and 4 hard disks. We are left with only 1 product, so I will add this to the project. The settings page will appear. For HDD, select No HDD. We require 20 terabytes of space, so I'll set 6 terabyte drives and set the amount to 4 so that we have 24 terabytes of storage available, leaving space for overhead. Now all requirements are supported. In conclusion, the DesignPro's Recorders tab helps you to find the right recording solution for your project and gives you an overview of the project parameters to avoid oversight when ordering items, covering bandwidth, power, and storage. Each DesignPro tab has its own video describing why it exists and how to use it, available on our YouTube channel. Have a look for these now. I hope you found this video useful. Have a great day. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.